What's going on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you a garden hack that will help you germinate cool season vegetable seeds in hot weather. Now's the time of year that's ideal to start our cool season vegetables for our fall gardens, but there's a problem. It's still summer, and that can lead to terrible germination rates on our cool season plants. That's because most cool season crops germinate in the springtime when soil temperatures are still cool in the 40s and 50s. But we're still in summer, and the soil temperature is often in the 80s or even 90s or warmer this time of year. And that can lead to terrible germination rates. In fact, some crops may not germinate at all in these soil temperatures. You can see this difficulty firsthand in my transplant tray that I've tried to start my fall transplants in. Here you can see my kale, my broccoli, my cabbage, my chard, and my mustard greens have all germinated successfully. However, in these cells, this is where I started my lettuces, and out of all 12 cells, only one head came up, and I've actually sown these twice, and I've only gotten one to come up so far. That is a terrible germination rate. That's because lettuce need cool soil temperatures in order to germinate, and it is just way too hot for them to germinate right now. Now, I could wait later in the season to sow my lettuce seed when the temperatures agree, but if I wait that long, the problem is by the time I transplant them out into the garden, it will get too cold and the lettuce plants will stall. So I really need to get those transplants out as soon as possible. So what can I do to make my lettuce seed germinate? Luckily, there's a trick you can employ. Simply use modern technology to your advantage. Start your cool crops in transplant trays, then at night transfer them into your refrigerator to cool them down. When you wake up, simply pull them out of the refrigerator and then place them indoors on a sunny windowsill. This will naturally mimic the cool nights and the warm days of springtime, and that will also approximate the proper temperatures. That way, the seeds will get the proper chill hours that they need at night to help them germinate. It's that simple. Using this simple trick, I've taken seeds that wouldn't germinate at all in hot temperatures and made them germinate to approximately the same percentages that they would in the springtime. I've been doing this for years, and it has never let me down. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.